So, first, what is data science? Data science means using data to find answer and make better decisions. It combines math, computer programming, and domain knowledge. That means understanding the area where you are applying it. For example, in healthcare, data science helps doctor predict diseases early. In marketing, it helps compare and understand customer needs. Overall, it helps in improving products, saving time and money, and making smarter decisions. Now, let's look at the data science process, the step-by-step way a project is done. Setting the research goal. Decide what problem you want to solve and define it clearly. Retrieving data. Collect data from internal or external sources like database, surveys, or websites. Data preparation. Clean the data, remove error or missing values, transform it into a proper format and combine from the different sources. Data exploration. Use simple graphs and charts to understand patterns and trends in data. Data modeling. Build and test model to make predictions or find patterns. Presentation and automation. Present your finding clearly in reports or dashboards and automate future analysis. So the process goes from collecting data all the way to using it for insight and automation. Is data mining. Data mining is the process of finding hidden patterns, relationships, or trends in large set of data. It uses statistical and machine learning techniques to discover useful information. For example, it can find which customers are likely to buy a product or detect fraud in online payments. So basically, data mining helps us turn raw data into knowledge. Now comes data warehousing. It means collecting and storing data from many different sources in one big system is called data warehouse. This makes it easier to analyze and generate reports. Think of it like a library of data where all information is organized and ready to use whenever is needed. Let's talk about some basic statistical terms that help us understand data easily. Mean, the average of all values. Median, the middle value when data is arranged in order. Mode, the most frequent value. Range, the difference between the largest and the smallest numbers. Variance and standard deviation. They show how spread out the data values are. Min and max, the smallest and largest values. These simple numbers help us describe the center and spread of any dataset. Finally, the conclusion. Data science is a powerful field that turns raw data into valuable insights. It combines statistics, programming, and domain expertise to help organizations make smart decisions, predict outcomes, and work more efficiently. That's the foundation of data science, simple, useful, and everywhere in today's world. Thank you for watching.